Hey everyone, Sergio with the Rideshare Guy. Another video for Sergio's diary. So it's Saturday about 11:30. I'm gonna go out and drive. So Uber, I'm ready to go. All my docs are updated. I had to do a background check, upload new insurance forms, new registration, all good to go. So then I'm gonna go to Lyft. And this is what I get. California disclosures. You must read and authorize an annual background check to keep driving. Now, I've been hearing quite a bit, getting a lot of emails regarding background checks lasting a lot longer. So on Uber, it was pretty quick. It was less than 24 hours. Let's see what Lyfts look like. I'm going to click on start. Okay. Oh, actually, what I'm going to do first is turn my Wi-Fi on because... Alright, so consent to background check. You're all set to drive. How am I all set to drive when it's asking me background check consent? Optional. Okay, we're not interested in that. Alright, let's go to consent. Continue. Disclosure, authorization. If you like to receive from the company a copy of the background check report that company may procure on you, please check this box. I always do this, so please do this. And once you get the email, save it on your PC or laptop or your phone, so you have a record in case there is a discrepancy between what you think it should look like and between what they have. Because I get a lot of emails from drivers saying it's incorrect. Well, I am not Uber and Lyft support or Checker support. I'm assuming this is going through Checker, so I'm going to authorize. Okay. I'm all set to drive. Already? That's how fast this was? Okay. I'm not sure. Are we? Oh. That's how fast this was? Okay. Well, I will, yeah, I'm able to go online. Okay. So I guess while they're running the background check, they allow you to drive. That's not what I heard from a lot of drivers. So I'm in California, in Los Angeles. Please comment below or let me know if you guys are experiencing the same thing. Or is it with a delay? Look, all states are different rules, different regulations. California may be one of those. I'm going to actually turn the app off and then go log back in again. Yeah, so no warning sign is showing up. So now I can go drive. Okay, that looks pretty easy. Let's see what we got. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to get an email, hopefully, with the Checker background report. And I will conclude the video showing that as well when I receive it. So I did the background check about 11:42, 11:40, let's say. And I'm ready to drive. So I'm going to go online and ready to go. All right, everyone. It's been about 3 hours. I mean, not even 2 hours since I started the Lyft background check, and I had to do it in order to go online. So actually, during the background check, they would allow me to drive. So if that's not your experience in your city, please let me know. But this is what happened. So it's been a couple of hours. Initially, right after I did it, I got this message from Checker Background Service. So that came in at 11:47, as you guys can see. Literally like 5 minutes after I started the background check. And it said your background check should be ready by May 12th to May 17th. So today is May 10th, and it's 1:52. So, and then just now, I got this one from Checker. Sergio, your background check is complete. We have sent your report to Lyft. They will notify you of the next steps. Visit your candidate portal to view your report. So I'm still able to go online or stay online. So obviously there's nothing wrong with the background check. But at the same time, I got this message from Lyft. Your background check for Lyft is now complete. View your results at the Checker blah blah blah. Now I'm going to click on this because I requested my report. I would highly recommend that all of you request your reports. And I'm going to go do this. Obviously, I don't want to put all my information for the world to watch, but it's pretty simple. And once that's done, I'm ready to go. So it took me from start to finish, including receiving my personal background check report for Lyft, provided by Checker, less than 3 hours. So I'm hearing quite a few drivers complaining about Checker background checks being nightmare, weeks of holdups. They may have personal issues that I'm not aware of, but mine went pretty smooth. So leave a comment below, and more importantly, every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern, join Chris and myself for Show Me the Money Club. We have wonderful guests coming up, and looking forward to seeing you all on Tuesday. Please stay healthy and please be safe out there.